30 kilometer tapi lapar. Capek dan rada pusing. Iya, jadi kayaknya kalau dari bakso enak ya. Yuk, nah dari bakso dulu. Jalannya bak baju. Jadi tadi rutin istirahat dulu selama 15 menit lumayan. Betul. Nah, yuk lanjut. Tidur Anda malam hari ini?
Lumayan,
ya. Ya kamu?
Banyak.
Sekarang udah pagi. Anda tahu sekarang saya di mana? Lihat ini. Musim gugur di Korea. Saya sekarang berada di Korea. Udah satu malam, tapi di Korea lumayan nyamuk. Ya kamu? Ya, sebentar. Nah, di Zoom. Hari ini pagi nyari angin dulu, jalan-jalan biasa ngajak anak-anak yang kurang piknik. Yuk lanjut, kita jalan-jalan. Pantai, cari angin, foto-foto, seru-seruan bareng teman-teman.
One, two, three, four, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make.
Hari ini saya ada di sebuah pantai. Dari kemarin saya akan nyebutin saya di mana. Saya sekarang berada di Pantai Ujung Genteng. Pantai Ujung Genteng ini sebenarnya ujung gentengnya banget sih ini nggak begitu apa ya, nggak begitu bagus banget sih. Ini karena kan tempatnya tempat buat nelayan ya, jadi
Pelelangan ikan.
Pelelangan ikan, jadi masih rada agak bau-bau tuh, rada banyak sampah. Tapi nanti kita ekspor sampingnya lagi, ada paumban, ada buaya, ada cupang ikan banyak segala macam. hari ini pagi ini kunjungi ini dulu. Habis ini kita lanjut yang lain. Sebenarnya sih tadi pagi saya niatnya nyari sunrise, cuman ya tadi teman-temannya kebluk. Kayak juga sih, padahal saya juga masih ngantuk. Masih ngantuk, jadi sunrise-nya kita telat, mataharinya sekarang udah naik ke atas. Mungkin kita dapetinnya besok hari. Besok kita masih ada. Oke.
Lagi menikmati sunrise Kak.
Tapi kayaknya kesiangan ya.
Iya bener, udah tinggi banget di mataharinya.
Oh, kesian. Nah, itu tuh dari mana?
Dari Batu.
Oh, dari Bandung. Jam berapa mungkin?
Tadi malam nyampe maghrib.
Aduh. Sayang banget ya, lihat banyak sampah, lihat sayang banget sampahnya di mana-mana, sampah di mana-mana, sayang banget. Halo kambing, apa kabar kamu? Malu dia. Ayo kambing. Lagi apa kau? Lagi apa? Sayang banget dilihat sampah di mana-mana. Kalau ini pantainya bersih, ini pantainya bersih banget, airnya juga jernih, asik banget. Airnya asik banget. Ini banget yang berenang.
Get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a light to follow. And if you do, you have a future real bright. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on and sing, oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and just a little bit. Won't be free. Keep my head up, don't forget to be me.
Perjalanan jauh berliku tadi kata-katakan jalannya kan, jalannya lumayan susah. Ini juga lihat kita nemu hutan belantara gitu. Hutan belantara juga sih, hutan bakau. Ya, mari kita lihat pantainya seperti apa. Setelah perjalanan yang susah, pantainya seperti apa.
Sing, oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing, yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. I'm on top of the world, now I'm living. And the good just gets better, keeps giving. Not even close to the end, it's just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah. And it's good, I won't even worry anymore. Took all my cares, took and kicked them all out the door. Go on and try, come and tell me what you're waiting for. Move and keep on going till your life is overflowing, yeah. I do a dance of victory. Cause now I'm living good, no I'm not living like I used to be. Now talk about things, talk about my mind. Now I'm free from the words that I left behind. I gotta jump for joy and shout aloud and make the sound. Oh, the world can stop me now, no. And all the music I will ride on the beat. When I guitar I won't stop on my feet, yeah. I gotta celebrate life and get excited about good times and good living. Come on, shout it out, hey. Take it up, take it up, take it out of control. Play
Yang
it real.
paling keren ini namanya Cipanadikan. Kenapa keren? Karena perpaduan antara air sungai, sebelah sini air sungai, nah, sungai di tengah-tengah ini pasir, hamparan pasir yang luas banget, dan sebelah sini baru lautan.
Spin and it's a brand new beginning and I'm the final winner. So take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm freeing my soul and now you got me singing.
Panas banget, tapi awannya asik, seru banget, seru banget.
We gotta be the best we can be. And though sometimes we don't want to, still we gotta chase our dreams. Reach up and reach high because we're gonna pull through. And give it all we got, even though we can't ignore to catch and make it happen, but we can't stop sliding. Come on, do what you gotta do to fight on. So no matter what comes your way, nothing can ruin your day or even wipe your smile away. And by the time I'm up and out of my bed, I got 100 new ideas floating around in my head with the hope for tomorrow, a dream that I can see of all the awesome things and great people we can be. Or maybe by the music or the song that I sing, change the world with a simple message that I will bring. All I know is that it's out there, there's more to discover. A lot of good things we can
Depan
learn
ada
from
bulan.
one another. Gotta celebrate
Enggak ya?
life and get excited about
Bisa kan?
the times and good living.
Katanya bisa pakai bulan kan?
Yan ang sama eh.
Pengen pakai es.
Pakai ya. Bulan na disediakan. Hah? Jadinya. Mungkin ya, sabar weh.
Ya. Ada tuh sih kan rahyo teh.
Biasa.
Jagoan. Ada ya di mana ngala sendiri.
Meser kalau
Oh. Dia teh kalap. Ah, sok atuh pasti kan abi ka dia.
Tuh. Kenal mang?
Lapar. Makan dulu. Lapar cuma gini doang. Nih. Telur. Nih. Cuman ini. Berapa coba harganya?
Nggak tahu.
5. Mahal.
5 juta.
5 juta. Kan dari emas. Kuning gini. Dari emas ini.
Berarti telurnya di perak ya?
Kalau apa? Begini. Baru makan gue dari tadi. Senyum. Berapa? Senyum.
Ini apa mas?
Enggak, udah betul.
Yang di sini.
Dulu.
Ya sih.
Bentar.
Gimana rasanya?
Segar. Segar banget. Kabong sumpah. Panas ini pakai es kelapa. Udah, nanti kamu buka. Duduk.
It's a great day, I'm feeling good. Oh, the possibilities of what I could. Oh, do with the world at my fingertips. My imagination brings a smile up to my lips. Oh, fascinated, I'm moving fast. Oh, I'm optimistic as the day goes.
Setelah kita tadi menikmati pantai, sekarang kita akan kita akan menuju kemana? Ayo jalan lagi, lanjut. Tadi orang tuh masjid.
Go up high above a fuel in a tank and turn up the fire. Come on and take a leap into your destiny. And come on up, come up with me. We're going up.
Udah nyampe di destinasi berikutnya. Sekarang
Bapak, perahunya yang mana Pak?
tuh litian power, litian labu. Gua pelan-pelan karena licin. Pelan-pelan. Nah, kita mau naik perahu. Perahunya nanti kayak gitu. Nah. Ini turunannya emang rada tajam, turunannya licin, jadi harus hati-hati.
One, two, three, four, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing 5, 10, gonna do it right, do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out, I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow, it's pretty simple, gotta find a way to follow. And if you do, you have to use your real pride. And it's a combination of consistency. Come on, say oh, 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 oh. consistency. Come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, come on, come on and sing. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on and sing.
Karena itu tadi apa namanya, banyak orang ya, akhirnya kita balik lagi sekarang mengejar sunset. Keluar bentar ya di sini, berhubung waktunya udah sore, kita ngejar sunset juga, jadi di kasar cuma bentar, lanjut ke penginapan.
Oh, ceret. Tadi satu ceret.
Kenalin, dua teman saya yang jago kolektor.
Talk about things, talk about my mind.